Hey there, baking buddies! Today, we're whipping up a classic that always brings a smile, Apple Crumble. It's warm, comforting, and surprisingly simple, making it perfect for any home cook, beginner, or seasoned baker. Get ready to impress everyone! First, let's get those apples ready. You'll want about 4 to 5 medium apples, peeled, cored, and sliced. Mix them with a squeeze of lemon juice to prevent browning. 2 tablespoons of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. A pinch of nutmeg really elevates the flavor here. Toss everything together gently until the apples are nicely coated. This sweet and spicy combination creates that perfect, gooey, tender fruit layer we all adore. Pop these apples into your baking dish. Now for the best part, the glorious crumble. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of brown sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix these dry ingredients well. Then, cut in half a stick of cold, unsalted butter. Use your fingertips or a pastry blender to rub the butter into the dry mix until it resembles coarse crumbs. This creates that irresistible, buttery crunch. Sprinkle your crumble topping evenly over the apple mixture in the baking dish. Don't press it down. We want it light and airy. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees or 190 degrees C for about 30 to 40 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the topping is golden brown and the apple filling is bubbling around the edges. The aroma alone will make your kitchen feel like a cozy bakery. Let it cool slightly before serving. This warm apple crumble is fantastic on its own, or you can elevate it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a drizzle of cream. It's the ultimate cozy dessert. Happy baking, everyone!